Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to teach you how to migrate all of your settings in Adobe Premiere Pro from one computer to another or from one hard drive to another. Stay tuned. Okay, so first up, all you have to do is go to your original hard drive on your computer, go to local disk C, go to Users, your username, Documents, Adobe, Premiere Pro, and the newest version that you'll find on there. Currently it's 14.0. Then go to your profile name, right click, go down to copy. And then if you've already installed Premiere, go to the same exact folder on the new hard drive or computer, and then just right click and go to paste. And since I already have my profile settings on this new hard drive, it's asking me to replace them. So if that's the case, just go ahead and click it. And it's just that easy.
So there's one more folder I forgot to mention earlier, and this contains all of the app data for all the other programs you use as part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite. So for me, since I use Audition, this folder contains a lot of my presets that I use for making videos. So in order to access this folder, you just need to go to the disk where your operating system is installed in this case mine is C, then go to Users, your username. Next, you need to make sure that hidden items are viewable. So go up to View, then make sure Hidden Items is checked, then go to App Data, then Roaming, and then Adobe. It'll have a whole list of stuff as far as presets and other things. I recommend you guys keep a copy of this as well as the Premiere Pro presets folder in a safe place just in case something happens.
So yeah, that's how you can migrate all of your settings in Adobe Premiere Pro from one computer to another or from one hard drive to another. And if you have any questions about Adobe Premiere Pro, be sure to leave them in the comments down below in the boopity boops, and your question could be the next tutorial. This is the Andy-san, signing for now. As always, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.